You guys, today I will be creating a beautiful fairy look for you guys, and since it's Halloween, why not do something different? Today I will be using the BH Party Girl eyeshadow palette in the color shade purple. I basically am applying that shade onto my forehead and just gradually patting it on around my forehead, close to my temple as well, on both sides. I try to go all the way to my hairline. This way it will cover my entire forehead as well. Next, I'm using from the same palette the shade blue. I am doing the same thing and basically creating an ombre look where I go a little bit deeper into a color. I use a darker shade, and I also apply that on my cheekbones on both sides, and just gently going back and forth and making sure that the color is applied evenly. Next I get my kabuki brush and just basically blend the area where I applied the shade onto my cheekbone back and forth. I keep blending it away. Next I get the Kat Von D Metal Crush highlights, and I apply that on both of my cheekbones area and all around my face to give me that sparkly glittery look. And since I'm a fairy, why not go all the way? Next I reach for my Makeup Forever eyeshadow palette and I apply that on my eyelid and all around evenly back and forth. Next I go ahead and apply the turquoise kind of blue green shade onto my eyelid, and I keep blending it and pressing it on until I have quite a bit. I do the other eye as well, and I just get another brush and basically blend those two colors together to give it that natural even look. You want a smooth finish. You don't want to see any lines around the crease area. Make sure you brush back and forth in a circular motion. I repeat the same process on the other eye, and I gently take the same color, the purple color, around the side of my nose. I add a little more of the sparkle, the glitter highlights, and then I continue on and add a little bit of eyeliner all the way across my eyebrow on the side of my eyes. This will really bring out my eyeshadow and my eyes as well. I clean up all the little areas underneath my eye. The look, I add a little bit of stars around my forehead, and next I use the Laura Mercier translucent powder and apply that on my face to set my foundation. Now it's all looking great.
Alright everybody, this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I wanted to do something very different as far as, since we're in the Halloween month, I decided to do something fantastic, and since purple is my color, I wanted to give you some sparkle. So this is a mermaid slash Tinkerbell slash fairy look. So all in one, we got the look.